On April 19, 2022, local officials, along with leaders from DOE, Savannah River National Laboratory, and the University of South Carolina Aiken, broke ground on the Advanced Manufacturing Collaborative Facility. The 60,000 square foot complex will provide accessible, modern, and flexible laboratory space for SRNL and its collaboration partners on the USC Aiken campus.
So all of it is really what a national laboratory is all about, bringing different disciplines together to create the next generation of manufacturing. That is, brings a new lifeline to the community that allows us to create the next generation of the workforce, as well as having that enduring capability of Savannah River National Laboratory right in the middle of the town.
A facility like this is really important to the department for a couple of different reasons. One is it's about people. And when you think about what we need to be successful at the site on our cleanup and our national security missions for the next several decades, it's all about people. And this facility helps connect us to the university and helps us develop that pipeline of folks we need to be successful. It also helps us with the cleanup program in terms of R&D and connections to industry and academia for collaboration on the best ideas to help us manage the cleanup program across the country.
We're very excited to be creating this facility because the connection we'll have with the university, both for the groundbreaking achievements we expect the lab to create, and the ability to attract those young students to work in the fields where we need people for the future to make our mission a success.
This facility is really key. It's the first face outside of the site proper that gives us the exposure and the ability to be able to bring industry and universities in to collaborate with us and open up the Department of Energy and the laboratory in particular to the public.
The AMC will embody modern concepts of manufacturing to include smart and digital manufacturing and remote and autonomous systems, embracing the tenets of Industry 4.0 manufacturing. Construction of the facility is expected to be completed in 2024.